going to take you through a tutorial on how to utilize the world's most popular online marketplace for original educational resources. Teachers Pay Teachers. On the main page here, you can start your search by choosing your grade level and what subject you're searching for teaching material. I'm going to choose 3rd grade. And I'm going to scroll down under the subjects. You can also search Common Core here, but I'm just going to look at math. And I'm going to scroll down again to where the prices are. You can say, I'm going to look, you can search just for free items. Okay, these first things at the top are sponsored, so I'm going to scroll down. And we'll see that these are some of the math resources that are free. This February activities printable looks interesting, so I'm going to click on that. As you see, this one is indeed free. If we click on it, it will start to download. Okay, it's asking me to log in. If you have not made an account for Teachers Pay Teachers, you can do that at this time. Okay, so now you see here the download starts, and then I just have to click on it. All right, now if I move my cursor up to the top of the screen, you can see the title of the product, how many pages it has, what page you're on, and then also some icons for printing, or to save up here. It has been my habit that I like to print and 3-hole punch and put resources like this that, maybe a little bit larger than something I would just file into a 1/2-inch 3-ring binder. But before I do that or save it to my Dropbox, I'm going to scroll down and see what we have here. On this first page, we have February resources in this freebie, and this is sort of an index. So we can see there that there's not only math activities, but some reading and writing, homework passes that are Valentine's themed, and other things. The next 3 pages explain how to use each section of this resource. And it gives you a little explanation of how to be used, how they might be used, alternatives. And then we get into the resource pages themselves, the actual activities. So we'll scroll down and see what we have. There's some neat biography report ideas for February. Lots of cool resources. This one's neat. Poetry. I really like these writing prompts. Heartfelt thanks, appreciation, sparks. And then also these that are more like scrolls instead of hearts, if you don't want to do hearts. Now here, I think I found a resource I want to use with my kiddos. They will love this math, fractions, and candy hearts page. I actually think I will use a lot of these pages. So I'm going to go up here and download this resource and save it in a folder that I'm going to entitle Holidays. We don't want to cancel right now. Download. And I'm going to save it in my Dropbox. So I'm making a new folder called Holidays, and I'm going to save these February activities in there. All right. Here's a neat word challenge. This one is discussion cards to go with a book called Lucky Money, which I think my class would really like. Okay, so since I have enjoyed this resource so much, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the end. I love these homework passes. And here at the end, this is the last page. It has a little bit about the author and some other resources. You can click. This is additional kind of holiday themed seasonal activities and other more subject specific activities. So what I want to do, I'm going to click on this so that I can scroll down here to the author's information and see this box here that says follow. I'm going to click that, and what that's going to do is let me know when she has new products that have been added to her store. I'll get an email, and I can also come back and find her easier if I'm following her. And then I can look at some of her other things that are not free. She gave such an interesting packet as her freebie that gives me a lot of confidence in what I can expect from her other products. Anyway, this may be an author that I choose to actually spend some of my classroom allotment for my kids this year. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to find, save, and use free resources and find all cool authors that you enjoy here on Teacher Pay Teachers, and I hope you enjoy their website in the future. Thank you.